welcome to Yoga and You. This is Divya, a freelance yoga instructor, and we are here at the Ratlanget Yoga Studio. So in this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the warrior postures. It has 3 different variations, warrior number 1, 2 and 3. But in this video, I'm going to be focusing on warrior number 1. So this posture is really great to stretch your upper body and mainly strengthen your lower part of your body, which strengthens your thighs and your ankles and basically your leg muscles. So let's see how to move on to the posture. So let's begin from downward facing dog. So for that, bring your knees down to the mat and fingers wide and nice and spread. And from here, curling back your toes, and once you're ready, inhale. As you exhale, lift your knees and hips and send it back to the sky, and your head sinking down. Just lengthen your spine a couple of times. And once you're ready, as you inhale, lift your right leg all the way forward and bring it right in between your palms. So the main and important step that you need to focus in this posture is the alignment. So your knee should always right straight to your ankle. That's very important. And the next step is to pivot your back foot to the mat, which is going to prevent you from falling down in the posture. So from here, as you inhale, push yourself all the way up. So from here again, your knee is straight to your ankle. Do not cross the ankle or do not go back. It should be right there. And from here, opening your hips really nice. And from here, once you're ready, bring your torso all the way towards your knees. From here, once you're ready, maintain the lower body position. And as you inhale, bring both your arms all the way up and stay here for a couple of deep breaths for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again, to release, bring both your arms back to the mat, and again release the posture. Come back to child's pose and relax. So for warrior number 2, it is kind of a continuation from warrior 1, and it goes like a flow. So let's imagine that we are into the warrior 1. So again, taking care of the alignment, and from warrior 1, so just observe in 1, your hands are tall and nice, creating length in your back. And for number 2, nothing changes in your lower body. Your lower body is just grounded and stable, no movement, literally no movement. And from here, for number 2, just keep your breath really normal and bring your body away from your knee and still maintaining the knee position and the alignment, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. So this posture is again going to strengthen your thighs, because the more you hold the posture, it's going to strengthen your leg muscles and open up your hips. And the final variation, which is Virabhadrasana number 3. This posture is going to be a standing posture, of course, and you are going to put your entire body weight to one leg and then balance through the posture. So let's see how to do that. So begin by standing really tall and nice, maintain your posture and bring your right leg forward, just like this. And from here, as you keep your breath really normal, so take your weight, like basically shift your weight towards your right foot, and your left foot is really slightly off the mat, and slowly you're going to bring your body weight completely onto the right foot. So for that, you need to really prepare yourself. So don't worry, you're not going to fall down. So be really confident in what you're doing. So it's after all yoga, so take it really fun. Okay, so from here, bring your body weight completely towards your right leg. It's okay to wobble, it's completely okay to wobble, but make sure you focus at one point, which is really going to help you go into the posture. So from here, shifting your body weight all the way towards your right leg and slowly extending the back foot really back and bringing your torso straight. And once you're ready, slowly bring your arms all the way up and look down. So once you are into the posture, just hold it for 3, 2, 1, and to release, slowly inhale, bring yourself all the way up and be gentle. So I'm sure you are going to master this posture. Try and switch your legs so that you strengthen both your legs. So make sure you practice this at least once a day. So stay happy and healthy until next time. This is Divya signing off. Stay tuned. Bye. Namaste.